Why are most American fighter jets named with an F, like the F-22 Raptor, F-35 Lightning, F-15 Eagle, and F-16? The reason may surprise you. You see that US Air Force signs a letter to each aircraft according to its role. This helps in easily identifying the aircraft type. For example, the names of transport aircraft start with the letter C, such as the C-17 Globemaster, C-5 Galaxy, and C-130 Hercules. Similarly, bomber aircraft names start with the letter B, like the B-52, B-1 Lancer, and B-2 Spirit. Experimental aircraft names start with the letter X, such as the X-59 and X-43, and the names of fighter jets start with the letter F, and unmanned aerial vehicles, UAV drones, start with the letter Q.